everybody, how are you today? Today we are going to smoke some chicken drumsticks. Now I got this family pack of chicken drumsticks over at Aldi's, if you all knew that store is. And I only paid $4.32. So, I need to season these, put them in a Ziploc bag, and put them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Then I'm going to take them out, and we're going to put them on the smoker. So I'm going to open this up, just like this. I'm going to take my Goya Adobe. You can use any seasoning salt that you'd like, but I prefer this. Open that on that. And just literally, just put this all over there. I'm going to rub that on there, just like so. Then I'm going to flip these over, just like this. Flip them, just keep flipping. You got them all flipped. Alright, there you go. And I'm going to take and I'm going to shake this liberally here. Just like that, like so. Alright. Just like that. I'm going to take my Ziploc bag after I get a paper towel. Wipe my hands off. Just throw them in here, like so. And then I'm just going to throw a little bit more in. I'm going to zip this on up. Maybe. And we're going to shake it a little bit more to get that all mixed up, just like this. And then we're going to put them in the refrigerator. I did have my glasses on top of my head, and I have removed them now. So what we're going to do, our smoker's outside, preheating at 275. And we're going to lay these chicken legs on here, just like so. It matters. Just like that. Put these on there like that. So we get them all on there. I try to just use one rack if I possible can. Alright, a couple more here. Alright, one more little fella. There we go. Okay, so they're all sitting right up there. And we're going to take these out to the smoker. Okay, we're going to take and put this in our smoker here. We have a Masterbuilt, and yes, it is electric. Like I said, easy. And I'm going to put it on in here. Right there. We're going to slide it just like that. Little fella over there. Shut it. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for about 2 hours, and we're going to come out and put some barbecue sauce on it. Okay, so the chicken legs have cooked for about 2 hours on the smoker, and we took them off. And what we're going to do is we're going to put barbecue sauce on them. Now, I found this sugar-free barbecue sauce, hickory flavor, is by George Hughes at the grocery store. I've never tried it, but I'm going to give it a shot, and I'll let you know how it is. So let's go ahead and proceed on putting the sauce on. I'm going to take it. I'm just going to kind of roll that like that. Stick it back on the grill. Do each one individually, like so. Come on. Just like so. Cover that all up. Cover that. Toss that around. Ooh, these smell so good. Okay. Be careful not to touch the rack, because the rack is hot. Okay. Cover each one. Nice good coat. yummy. Mm. Mmm. Oh, it smells so good. Barbecue sauce kind of smells real well too. Good. Can't wait to try that. Okay. So now that we've got these all coated very well, we're going to take and put these back on the smoker for about another hour to make sure they're completely done. Hours passed and we've taken our chicken legs off, and let's see how they taste. So remember, I've never used this barbecue sauce before. See how this is. Oh, and look at that. Look how good that looks right there. Mmm. Mmm. That is really, really good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Ooh. So I'm going to recommend this barbecue sauce. I'm going to go get some more. That is really good. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.